So bringing in the therapy dogs of Cape Cod was essentially originated out of a need, I think, to focus on the social and emotional health of not only our students but our staff. And I think it's been a great experience. I think it brings down the temperature of the building. I think it starts our day off softly, and I think it also breaks up the pressure of academics, and it gives us just time to focus on our mental health.
I think they're great. Something good for us to come into the classroom. Kind of break up the day a little bit, take us away from our work for a little bit.
Phoebe was born here in Harwich on a horse farm. So I love that she's really local. She's very Cape Cod. She's 8 and she's a Pembroke Welsh Corgi.
The puppies, they're fluffy and they make my class quiet, which never happens, and everyone's just enjoying it, so I'm a big fan.
Love dogs. I love them. They're really nice and friendly, very therapeutic.
Where she is doing that. She warms my heart, and I feel so fortunate to have her in my life.